Lauterbrunnen Valley. Kind of more busy down here, and it's still raining. I need a hat, you guys. I bought a jacket for 40 Swiss francs because it's raining so hard and I'm like so cold. I don't want to get sick before my race, so I figured it would be better to just get a waterproof jacket, and it's so cheap. For 40 francs for this? Like, if you were to buy this in America, I think it'd definitely be more than $100, so I think it was a good purchase. So, yeah. It's still raining pretty hard. We're gonna walk towards the waterfall now. There's so many shops around here. It's cute. It's so green. There's a waterfall coming up over here. Can you see it? The waterfall right there. I'm wearing leather shoes. This is so not good for the rain weather, but I only brought 3 pairs of shoes. Oh my god, it's so loud everywhere. I'm so glad I stayed in Wengen because Lauterbrunnen is so loud. If you're gonna come here, I highly suggest staying at Wengen or Meren. Crosses a to the Lauterbrunnen area. This is a little walking path next to the waterfall. Literally tell me why I wore my old Lukais to hike. And they're all white too. But surprisingly, these are holding up really, really well because I don't like, my socks are still really dry. It's not getting wet, so I feel like it is sealed really well. But my shoes are definitely gonna turn brown after this. Look at that. The cows. You see them? Kinda. Kind of far away. They're resting right now. Alright, this will be our little workout to prepare for the race. Oh my god, I'm wearing the wrong shoes. Alright. You guys, this is no joke. It's so steep. How am I gonna survive Saturday? Literally catching my breath. At this view though. Okay. Wow, that's so pretty. Okay, and we continue. Like literally not me lugging my big ass Longchamp filled to the brim. Oh, a tunnel. Wow. Okay. It's not as steep in here. Now we go up the stairs. There's like handrails up and grab onto. Oh my god, there's water. Good thing I got the waterproof jacket.
Es gibt in Deutsch, Hals und Bein. Hals und Bein.
Wie was Kim fin? She Kim
Wegen Zeit ist es genau und Hals und Bein. Das heißt,
make sure you're wearing like good hiking shoes. Oh my god. I almost slipped. Okay. Whee. For real though, wear like grippy shoes. We made it to the end. And I keep going to the other side. The sun's slowly coming out though. So green. It's crazy. God, I'm looking super crazy. I took off the rain jacket because it stopped raining. But we're gonna head to the Trümmelbach Falls, which is 30 minutes away. So we're gonna keep going and going, but the view along the way is totally worth it. Just take a look at that. Everything. You're just in love with everything. So just keep going. It's about probably, I think I've been walking for at least 15 minutes now, so I guess it's about 35-minute walk from the Staubbach Falls. So just keep walking. There's a lot of people along the way, and there's a lot of things to see along the way as well. So yeah, definitely keep walking. So I just realized this is where I go for the marathon. I have to go all the way through Lauterbrunnen Valley, and then I cut this way, and then go all the way back to where Wengen is, which is right there, and then go all the way up to Eigerslitscher or something. I'm probably butchering the name right now, but this is insane, the fact that I have to run all the way here. all the way through all that valley and then back up the mountain. Oh my god. Do you think I can do it? Crazy. Alright, we finally walked to the Trümmelbach Fall. We're gonna follow this road here. I honestly don't see it. I'm kind of curious where it is. You guys hear it? Oh, look at a souvenir shop. Cute! Looks like there's a long line to get in. It cost, I think it was 15 francs for an adult. And then I think for children it was 5 francs. So let's wait in line and see. Alright, so you can either use the lift, take the stairs, then use the lift. 6 to 10 waterfalls, and then we're gonna go to the left here. You see number 6. Yeah, and then the rest is gonna be that way. So let's go this way. It's so pretty, but it's also really, really cold inside. So make sure you bring like a jacket, a waterproof jacket will be good. And then it is a little slippery, so wear some kind of shoes with grips. Finished a bit of Trümmelbach Falls. I don't know how to say it, but I'm thinking of heading back to the hotel. My legs are so tired and like it needs to be feeling fresh for a Saturday. So we're gonna take it easy, find dinner, eat, rest, and then chill in the room, hotel for a bit. And yeah.